Good morning. Welcome to a balcony brief. My name is Dave Brown. I am the owner of Attic Buddies Insulation, and this balcony brief is a 1-minute brief little get together with you and I. We have some hot drink. I'm drinking some tea, and we discuss certain issues with your home and how we can help guide you to a solution. Today's topic is going to be pest entry. We see it all the time, and when we get into attics, we can actually see where they're getting in. We can also see it from the roofing side as well. And it's highly important that you exclude those pests from entering in your house, because they will cause incredible damage to your plumbing, electrical, to your insulation. They will really wreak havoc on your house. So what I'd like you to do is give Attic Buddies Insulation a call, 832-464-7176. You can schedule a free inspection, free estimate, and we can point out these areas and offer some solutions to solving that problem. You can also find us at atticbuddies.com. This has been a balcony brief, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.